Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Passion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive daily wear collections only for you. So let me display very beautiful one, pure handloom, soft, comfortable, summer friendly also. Same material today I have a beautiful one, pure handloom zari by cotton weaving with beautiful jamdani weaving buta and contrast golden zari border, highlighted stripes, very beautiful, soft, comfortable, based for your office wear. Have sign also zari cotton. This one is contrast color stripes, golden zari with contrast color stripes pattern border, and full border portions multi-color weaving, temple weaving, jamdani work. Very nice one, smart, elegant looks, very soft, comfortable, beautiful color. Also same material today I have draped different color, and full base part is jamdani buta, very elegant one, fully weaving work, weaving buta, and full base part have zari sign. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly. And this one pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, fully weaving stripes with buta design pallu, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright, trendy daily looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also beautiful one, semi organza base weaving pallu, and full base part is beautiful. Let me open, beautiful Sivori printed one, very smart, trendy looks. This one is half. This one is fully weaving design, semi organza with beautiful fine weaving checks pattern. Very elegant, exclusive looks, based for your office wear, smart looks. This one full base part. This one is full base part, Sivori printed, semi organza, and full base part is self weaving fine stripes design, stripes pattern, and fully Sivori printed one. This one is running blouse piece. This one is full base part, and this one pallu portion. Very exclusive, outstanding, bright, elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Semi organza base with beautiful Sivori dye and weaving work. Very nice one. This one also same pattern, different color only, beautiful color combinations, yellow and pink contrast combine, very exclusive looks. This one is upper base part to pallu end, fully fine weaving design, semi organza base, beautiful pom-pom design, fully weaving work, semi organza base. And this one full base part, pleats to base part, beautiful Sivori dye, semi organza base, self weaving fine stripes with beautiful Sivori printed one. Very smart, trendy looks, based for your office wear, daily wear, very smart looks. And I will suggest this heavy brocade work, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also beautiful one, same material, same pattern, semi organza base with beautiful Sivori printed one, weaving pallu, very nice one. Sorry, this one is Patni printed one, very trendy, smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, semi organza base, self weaving fine stripes with beautiful Badhni printed buta, fully printed buta, Badhni printed. And this one is base part, fine semi organza, and this one pallu and contrast color dye pallu with beautiful fine weaving checks pattern, very nice one. And this one is full base part, Badhni printed. This one is running blouse piece, very bright, beautiful looks. And I will suggest this silk material, self weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your smart looks. This one also beautiful one, same material, same pattern, different color only, beautiful, smart, trendy looks, very soft, comfortable also. This one is beautiful. Let me open, beautiful Sivori Badhni printed one. This one is contrast color dye pallu with beautiful fine weaving checks pattern, beautiful pom-pom design, and full base part is semi organza base, fine weaving checks. And this one full base part, very elegant looks, beautiful Sivori Badhni printed, very smart trendy one. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, and full base part is fine self weaving stripes, semi organza base, badni printed, very elegant color combinations, beautiful looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart trendy daily looks. In a beautiful one, multicolored checks pattern, very beautiful, smart, elegant looks, pure handloom cotton fabric, pure cotton with beautiful multicolored checks pattern, very elegant one, soft, comfortable, smart, trendy looks, based for your office wear, very nice one, very soft one. And this one is pallu part, contrast color, green shaded stripes pattern pallu, and full base part is fine checks, very trendy one, checks trendy. This one is full base part, soft, comfortable, smart, elegant looks, full base part is checks pattern. This one is contrast color border, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very elegant one. And I will suggest this soft silk material, heavy weaving work, contrast blouse, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart trendy daily looks. This one also in a beautiful one, silk cotton material, silver zari weaving design, very nice one, smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, sivori dye, sivori dye with beautiful weaving design, very smart looks. This one is silver zari border, fully fine temple pattern weaving design, and this one is full base part, sivori dye with beautiful smart weaving design. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fine stripes pattern, contrast color weaving stripes pattern pallu. And this one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, beautiful dye with dye base with beautiful weaving design. This portion is fully weaving, this portion also weaving design, very elegant looks, bright also. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, cotton silk material, silk cotton material. This one is silver zari border, very bright, elegant, smart daily looks. And I will suggest this cotton silk material weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. This one also, very beautiful one, silk cotton with fine weaving design, Banaras weaving design, very smart, bright look. Also very beautiful, bright color combinations, contrast color border and pallu with beautiful weaving design, golden zari weaving design. This one, border portions, contrast color with fine weaving, golden zari weaving design work. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color maroon shade with heavy stripes pattern, golden zari weaving design, Banarasi work pallu, very smart, bright looks. This one, full base part, soft, comfortable, premium quality, pure handloom silk cotton material with weaving work, and full base part is fine weaving butta design, very bright, beautiful looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, very bright, gorgeous also. This one also, same material, same pattern, a beautiful color combinations is very nice one, contrast color border and pallu. This one, full base part, pink shade weaving, golden zari weaving butta design, fine butta. And this one, contrast color border, maroon shaded with fine golden zari weaving design border. And this one is full base part, very soft, comfortable one, silk cotton material. This one is full base. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color maroon shaded with golden zari stripes pattern, weaving design stripes pattern pallu. And this one is full base part, beautiful color combination, soft, comfortable, smart, bright, gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, bright looks. Also, very beautiful one, bright red shade with beautiful sequin stripes design, butta work, golden zari, very smart bright looks, cotton silk material, premium quality, pure handloom cotton silk. This one full base part, beautiful sequin stripes design, very smart elegant bright looks, full base part is sequin stripes. And this one pallu part, pallu is very beautiful one, golden zari weaving butta with sequin stripes design, very soft comfortable one, cotton silk material, bright looks. And this one full base part, same sequin design, very nice one. This one is full base, bright red shade with beautiful sequin stripes design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very bright beautiful smart looks, gorgeous also. This one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. This one also beautiful one, soft silk material, contrast border, weaving border, very trendy smart bright looks, elegant also. This one is full base part, soft silk material. This one is border, contrast color, fine temple pattern, weaving design border. And this one is full base part, very smart trendy looks. This one is full base, same color with contrast border, very nice one. And this one pallu end, contrast color, fine stripes pattern, pallu end, very trendy looks, best for your office wear, daily wear, very smart one. This one is running blouse piece, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding daily smart looks. This one also beautiful one, pure cotton fabric, highlighted half-inch golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful hand katha work, very trendy smart elegant looks. This one fully hand stitch. This one is sorry, this one is border portions, golden zari, highlighted half-inch golden zari, highlighted border, weaving border, and full border portions hand katha work. And this one is full base part, very soft comfortable one, yellow base, fully hand katha work. And this one is pure cotton fabric, beautiful smart one. This one is running blouse piece. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand katha work design, very trendy smart elegant looks, traditional also katha work, very soft one, best for your office wear, daily wear, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful weaving brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also beautiful one, Bengal traditional tat, contrast weaving border, and full base part is beautiful tat butta without running blouse piece on this saree length, but color is very beautiful one, soft sober light yellow shade with beautiful contrast color, purple shade, tat weaving design, fully weaving design border. And this one is full base part, tat butta, full base part. And this one pallu end, contrast color, stripes pattern, plain stripes pattern pallu. And this one is full base part, tat butta, cotton fabric, pure cotton fabric, Bengal traditional tat. This one is beautiful tat weaving butta, and this one is highlighted border, very elegant smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, fully weaving brocade weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy traditional looks. So very beautiful one, same material, Bengal traditional tat, beautiful color combinations, mustard yellow shade, contrast tat border, weaving border, tat weaving border design, very smart elegant looks. This one full border portions, contrast color with beautiful weaving golden zari weaving design, tat border. And this one is full base part, beautiful tat weaving butta design, and without running blouse piece on this saree length. And this one is pallu part, contrast color, fine stripes pattern pallu, and this one border portions, fine taat weaving border design, very elegant, smart, bright looks, traditional also, Bengal traditional taat, and this cotton fabric, and this one full base part, beautiful weaving taat buta, full base, very trendy traditional looks, contrast weaving border, taat weaving border design. And I will suggest this cotton fabric contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, bright, elegant looks, beautiful color. This one also beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton fabric. Let me open, bright, beautiful one, kotki border, cotton kotki. This one full base part, beautiful texture weaving design, full base, and this one kotki border, contrast color weaving border design, and this one is border portions, beautiful temple pattern, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color with kotki stripes pattern, pallu. This one is pallu part, and very soft, comfortable one, premium quality, pure handloom cotton fabric. And this one is full base part, weaving texture, weaving design, full base, soft, comfortable, smart looks, very nice one, bright looks, bright blue shade. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. This one also pure handloom cotton silk material, applique design, beautiful, smart, trendy one, black base. Let me open with applique design, very nice one, applique border. This one is full base part, pure handloom cotton silk material with beautiful applique design. This one is beautiful applique design, and this one is border also applique stitch border, and full base part, very smart, elegant, trendy looks. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, beautiful applique design pallu. Very smart, bright, elegant look, soft, comfortable also, bright one, black with mustard yellow, pallu with beautiful applique work. Very nice one, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. This one also beautiful one, soft, comfortable, pure handloom malmal cotton with printed one, very trendy look, soft, comfortable, obviously summer friendly. This one full base part, beautiful printed one. This one is border portions, pure handloom malmal cotton, premium quality, soft, comfortable malmal cotton. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully printed pallu. This one is pallu, beautiful one, this one is pallu, and this one is full base part, very elegant, smart, daily look, soft, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Beautiful one, malmal cotton with batik printed one, very trendy, smart, elegant looks, bright also. This one full base part, beautiful hand batik printed one, very demanding also. This one full base part, stripes pattern, contrast color, fully hand batik printed, pure handloom malmal cotton, very soft, comfortable one. Full base part is beautiful stripes pattern, batik printed, very smart, trendy looks. And this one this one is full base part, this one is pallu end, very trendy, smart looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive, outstanding looks. This one also beautiful one, same material, pure handloom malmal cotton, multi-color printed, very smart one. This one is full base part, this one is pallu, this one is pallu part, beautiful multi-color, smart printed, very trendy, bright looks. This one is pallu end, and this one full base part, very smart, elegant looks, bright yellow shade, contrast red printed border, and this one is running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece but bright yellow set for your beautiful smart trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton silk material heavy weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Pure handloom premium quality malmal cotton with print. This one also beautiful one, pure cotton fabric multicolor weaving self weaving stripes pattern, fine stripes, pure handloom cotton fabric, soft comfortable summer friendly. This one border portions contrast color and full base part is multicolor weaving design full base, and this one is pallu part contrast color fine stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base but very soft comfortable elegant smart looks based for your daily wear office wear. Very nice one, cotton fabric multicolor thread weaving design full base self weaving. And I will suggest this cotton fabric cotton silk material weaving heavy weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright daily looks. This one also beautiful one, very elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric contrast red border weaving border, and full base part is beautiful checks pattern printed one. This one is full base part, this one is border contrast color with fine weaving design temple pattern weaving design border, and full base part is beautiful checks printed very trendy smart bright looks elegant also. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color printed checks pattern printed pallu. Bright beautiful elegant smart looks based for your office wear daily wear, very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks, very traditional also. Also very beautiful one, smart looks, soft comfortable premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk weaving contrast color fully weaving border design, very smart trendy one based for your office wear. This one full base part very trendy smart looks. This one is border portions fine weaving design temple pattern weaving design border, and this one is full base part very soft comfortable premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk, very elegant color combinations. One portion is yellow shaded, one portion is pink shaded contrast border, and this one running blouse piece, and this one is the pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color fine stripes pattern pallu, very trendy smart elegant look, soft also summer friendly. And I will suggest this cotton silk material ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart looks, very bright one. This one also very bright fresh looks, let me open, white base but very bright one, contrast pink border, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material with beautiful jamdani work. This one is full base part, bright white base multicolor weaving polka design. This one contrast color border highlighted golden saree lines with beautiful border, and full base part is multicolor weaving polka design, very trendy smart bright looks. This one is pallu, but pallu also very beautiful one, bright color with fine hand weaving jamdani work pallu, very smart bright looks, soft comfortable obviously pure handloom cotton silk material. This one full base part, very beautiful one. This one is full base part pure white base, this one is contrast color border, and this one running blouse piece, trendy smart bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for a outstanding bright fresh looks. This one also beautiful one, bright color, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material, heavy golden saree weaving work, full base part is cotton silk material, full base part is beautiful weaving design by golden saree. This one is contrast colored border with beautiful weaving design, very smart, bright looks, elegant color combinations, bright also. And you know, full base part is golden zari weaving polka design, also very trendy, bright one. Fully golden zari weaving work, handloom cotton silk material, and this one is contrast color running blouse piece also same work. And this one, you know, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color pallu, highlighted stripes with beautiful golden zari weaving design, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright, gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this soft silk material, golden base, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. So you know, beautiful color combinations, very bright one, handloom cotton silk material, go silver zari weaving design, heavy worked border, very nice one, smart bright looks, cotton silk material. And this one, you know, border portion silver zari fine weaving design border, contrast color with beautiful border portions, beautiful silver zari fine weaving design, very smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, and full base part is floral pattern, silver zari weaving floral, very nice one, smart, elegant, bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu in beautiful, smart, same pattern pallu in. Full base part is same pattern, heavy worked border, smart looks. And I will suggest this soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding bright looks. This one also, you know, same material, same pattern, different color only, very bright color, bright blue shade, silver zari weaving design border. This one, you know, full base part bright blue shade. This one is border portions, contrast color border, and full border portions, fine silver zari weaving design, heavy worked border. And this one is full base part, beautiful silver zari weaving floral butta, full base, very bright one, handloom cotton silk material, soft, comfortable, bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color green shaded pallu with silver zari weaving, trendy, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, very bright, fresh one. This one also, you know, very elegant, trendy looks, premium quality, pure handloom cotton fabrics, texture cotton with contrast color dye border, and full base part is beautiful fine stripes pattern. This one, you know, border portions, contrast color dye border, silver zari dye border, and full base part is beautiful texture weaving design, full base with stripes and badhani butta printed one, very trendy, smart looks, best for your office wear, daily wear, very nice one. This one, you know, pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari self weaving stripes, badhani butta, and full base part is texture weaving design, cotton dupian texture weaving design, very elegant, trendy looks. This one, you know, full base part, beautiful badhani butta, contrast color dye border, silver zari highlighted border, and full base part is badhani butta, very elegant one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat pattern contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy, smart, elegant daily looks. So, you know, very beautiful, smart looks, premium quality, pure handloom khadi cotton silk, very soft, comfortable with beautiful pom-pom design, very trendy looks. This one, you know, best for your office wear. This one is full base part, and this one, you know, beautiful weaving pom-pom design, contrast color border with pom-pom work, very nice one, smart looks, trendy, bright one. This one is full base part, soft, comfortable, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu in contrast color, fine stripes pattern, beautiful pom-pom design border, very trendy, smart looks, elegant also. And I will suggest this cotton silk material weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, trendy daily looks. This one also, you know, beautiful color combinations also. Handloom khadi cotton silk material, beautiful pom-pom design, very trendy smart looks, based for your office wear. This one is full piece part, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks, and side portions beautiful pom-pom design. Beads pom-pom, very trendy smart one. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu. In pallu portion, side portions pom-pom design, and pallu in this beautiful same pom-pom, very elegant, smart, trendy looks, and very soft, comfortable one, based for your daily wear. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this, and for your outstanding, smart, trendy looks. This one also, you know, beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material with beautiful batik printed one, bright color combinations. Let me open, very soft, comfortable, matte looks. This one, you know, full base part, and this one is border portion, silver zari border, and fully hand batik printed one, border portions beautiful printed, and soft, comfortable, smart looks. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, silver zari stripes with beautiful hand batik printed pallu, fully hand process, really nice one. This one is full base part, beautiful sivori batik printed one, very trendy smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base one, very soft, comfortable handloom one. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy, smart, elegant daily looks. You know, very beautiful bright one, white border, weaving smart, elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base with contrast color stripes pattern, weaving border. And this one, you know, border portions multicolor stripes with fine temple pattern, weaving design border. And this one, you know, pallu part, pallu is a very beautiful one, same fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, bright navy blue shade. And this one, you know, border portions multicolor fine stripes with beautiful temple weaving design border. This one is border portions white border, this one is base part, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, same body set running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very trendy, bright looks. And I will suggest this cotton silk material weaving work contrast blouse piece with this for your trendy, smart, bright looks. And you know, today I have draped a beautiful bright colored saree, blackish golden shade, premium quality pure handloom zari cotton weaving. And this one is border portions golden zari highlighted multicolor stripes, contrast color. And full base part is beautiful jamdani buta design, border portions temple weaving design, and full base part is jamdani buta. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color stripes pattern pallu, very beautiful saree with beautiful jewelry also. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.